back to my channel, and now that we have done that of the ellipse, we have constructed the ellipse. Now we need to construct the parabola. So as we are told in the question that the three curves, they have a common focus, and this is the focus for the three of them. So this is where we have the focus for ellipse, for parabola, and also for hyperbola. So we want to construct the parabola now. So as we are told in the question that the eccentricity of an ellipse is 2/3 and that of hyperbola is 3/2. So what is now the eccentricity of the parabola that we have to construct? Now, I believe you have been taught that the eccentricity of a parabola is 1. That is 20 divided by 20, that will give us 1. Or if we divide the distance between the focus and directrix by 2, that will give us 20. So what we need to do now to locate the vertex of the parabola is to divide that 40 by 2. That is, we take a measurement of 20 millimeters from this point on directrix or from this point on the focus, and we have this point here now. So this point is where we have the vertex of the parabola. So I'm going to call it VP. So we have the vertex of the parabola at this point. So what we need to do now is that we are going to take a set square and draw a vertical line at this point VP. That is where we have the vertex of a parabola. So I'll just draw a short vertical line like this. Okay, so I draw a short vertical line like this. Then I will take my compass, so put it at this point where we have the vertex of the parabola and extend it to point F. That is where we have the focus. So then I will draw an arc like this to meet the vertical line that we drew out of where we have the vertex of the parabola. So now, so the arc meets the vertical line at this point. So what we are going to do now is to draw a line from this point C on directrix through this point on the vertical line that we drew out of the vertex of the parabola. So we draw a line in this direction. Okay, so having drawn the line, the next thing that we are going to do is to take the compass. So we put at this point 1, that we have here. So we extend it to where this line, where it meets the vertical line 1. So we extend it, so where this line that we drew from this point that passed through this vertical line that we drew out of the vertex of the parabola. So we put the pinpoint here and we extend it to this point where they intersect here. So where this line intersects the vertical line 1, and we take it and put it at the focus here. So we make an arc on line 1, and we also make an arc on line 1 down here. Then we put our 2, which is exactly on the focus. We extend it to this point. So where the line meets line 2 at this point. So we just make an arc here, and we turn it down, we make an arc here. Okay, then we put at point 3, and we extend it to where the line intersects vertical line 3. So intersect it here. So we raise it up and bring it to the focus here. So we make an arc at this point, and we also make an arc at this point. So then we put at point 4. So we put at 4. So we extend it to where the line meets line 4. So which is this point. So then we raise it up and take it to the focus. So we make an arc on vertical line 4. So we make an arc here on vertical line 4. Then we take it to 5. So we extend it to where the line meets line 5. So which is this point here. Then we raise it up, take it to the focus. Then we make an arc here on line 5. Make an arc here on line 5. So just let me make it up to 6. So we take it to this point 6 and we extend it to where the line intersects vertical line 6. Okay. So this is the point. Then we take it to the focus. Then we make an arc here on line 6. Make an arc here on line 6. Okay, so let me take that of 7 and I'll stop it there. So we extend the pen to where we have, so where the line intersects vertical line 7. So we take it to the focus and make an arc here on line 7, make an arc here on vertical line 7. So all these points, we are going to join them together with the use of French curve. So let's get the point. So we have this point, this is the point, this is the point, this is the point. So we have this point, so this point, and then we are joined together with the vertex of the parabola. So also, so we have this point here, so this point, this point, this point, this point here, this point, and this point. So we are going to join them together with the use of a French curve. So we have it like this. So we have to set it well. Okay. Alright, so we have the point. So we join this together. Like this. So then join these points together. So join these points together. So we need to set the French curve so that we can obtain the curve as we are supposed to have it. Okay. Alright, so I will draw. Okay. Alright, so we have this curve now. So this is the parabola. So we meet on that of the hyperbola. Thank you.